Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. The BBC microbit is a versatile microcontroller board that makes learning and teaching electronics and programming more accessible and fun. With its built-in sensors, LED matrix, buttons, and Bluetooth connectivity, it's an excellent platform for beginners and advanced users alike. MicroPython, a version of Python optimized for microcontrollers, provides an easy-to-use programming environment for the microbit. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through getting started with MicroPython on the BBC microbit. We'll cover setting up your development environment, writing your first MicroPython program, and exploring some of the microbit's features with code examples. Before we begin, ensure you have the following. Mu is a simple code editor designed for beginners. It's lightweight, easy to use, and provides built-in support for MicroPython on the microbit. Let's start with a simple program to display "Hello, microbit" on the LED matrix. You should see the message scroll across the LED matrix on your microbit. Now that you've written your first program, let's explore some of the microbit's features with code examples. You can display images on the microbit's LED matrix. Let's display a heart icon. You can use the microbit's buttons to trigger actions in your program. Let's turn on an LED when the A button is pressed. In this code, we continuously check if button A is pressed. If it is, we turn on the LED connected to pin 0, otherwise, we turn it off. The microbit has an accelerometer that can detect its orientation. Let's use it to turn on an LED when the microbit is tilted to the right. In this code, we continuously check the x-axis accelerometer value. If it's greater than 500, indicating the microbit is tilted to the right, we turn on the LED. In this tutorial, you've learned how to get started with MicroPython on the BBC microbit. You've written your first MicroPython program, explored basic features such as displaying text and images, reading button input, and using the accelerometer. This is just the beginning of what you can do with the microbit and MicroPython. Experiment, explore, and have fun. ChatGPT.